bigger things.
All right, what's up everybody? If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. My name is Micah. Today I'm stuck in traffic right now. I'm on my way to the beach. We're gonna be doing some camping, some cooking, and some fishing. Whether we catch some fish or not, we still have some cool stuff planned to cook, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and we're gonna jump straight into fishing when we get there. So I will see y'all on the beach. Thanks for checking out my channel. Let's get it. All right, I got my coffee, my bait, my fishing poles, my tackle box in my bag. And the beach is just behind those buildings right there. You can kind of see the pier right there. So my blades aren't that good, but we might go out in a little while. Maybe they'll be better a little later in the afternoon. But we made it, so we're just gonna go out a little bit into the surf. We're not gonna go all the way out, and we're gonna try and get some bait for the bigger fish. I see some fish down there. I just can't catch them, but I only really saw a couple big ones, mostly small little ones. Hey. Got some bait. Ooh. Go. I think I might got a stingray right now. Yep. Gotcha, partner. Little battery, I think.
You got a little skate?
Oh no.
Yeah, it's a little
You're telling me.
Yeah, these don't have stingers.
So I can just grab it?
Yeah. Yeah, you can just grab it. So, yeah, look, see when they have the little spikes? They don't have stingers. The stinger would be back there. Yeah, these don't have nothing on them.
You know how big they have to be to keep? Pretty big, huh?
At least 3 feet.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, this is a little tiny one.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's called a skate. Or they also, no, sorry, that's a shovel-nose shark.
Oh, okay, okay. See you later, dude. Oh.
Is that the only thing you got?
Yeah, that's it.
Right here, you can get surf perch, but I usually catch a surf perch on this side.
Okay.
Or if you have your license to go to the rocks, it's good fishing over there.
Okay. Doesn't get better than this. Should have told Jose to come down here with me. Alright, this is exactly what Jose said to do. He said, probably the smallest hook you have, and this was the smallest hook I had. So I put it on. Shout out Jose if you're watching this. Thanks for helping me out. I'm about to throw a sand crab on. I just found a bucket on the floor that I'm using. Still got to make dinner, and I have not ate. I ate a bagel this morning before I left the house, so pretty starving. I was really hoping on a fish sandwich today, but I could always make one tomorrow. Yay! Yeet! Alright, so I did just make my last cast and I got a nibble, but I didn't set the hook on time, so that's like my 4th or 5th hook set miss of the day. So I'm gonna go make some food now, so stay tuned to see what we eat, and we're gonna get right back to fishing after, so stay tuned to see if we catch any fish. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather, the beautiful beach. I can't complain about anything. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be alive. Blessed to live another day. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see y'all on the barbecue. I'm really hungry and I want to surf, and I'm not sure the legality of this, so I'm gonna try and cook really, really fast. So as soon as I bust out the propane, it's gonna go down quick. So be ready. All right, propane is out. It's going down. Alright guys, once again I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Before I chop something up, I stop recording to make like a new segment so it's easier to edit, and I just don't start recording. I just cut up some oregano and parsley. Now I just chopped up one giant massive clove of garlic, but gosh. Chili flakes. Got so many cuts on my fingers, I'm scared. I don't have olive oil, which is what you're supposed to use, so I'm using canola oil. I'm gonna just put a little tiny bit because it's the wrong oil, obviously.
It's so gorgeous.
It's gonna be the most incorrect chimichurri I've ever seen. Okay, I'm sure you're supposed to eat this with a knife and a fork, but I don't have either of those, so. Pretty good. Kind of weird. I got way too much garlic in that bite. A lot of flavor coming through, that's for sure. I just messed up so bad. So much for more chimichurri. That was good. It's really, honestly, it's so good. It's bomb. Everything goes together so perfect. The first bite, I just had way too much of everything. Way too much. Everything is just about put away. I'm just gonna do the last couple things and then we're heading down to the beach. I just don't know if I should try surfing or fishing. I think I'll surf and then fish later. All right. I only have like 5 or 10 minutes left of recording on this SD card, and for some reason this keeps happening to me whenever I take a trip at night. The night when I go to sleep, I can never get the footage off of my GoPro onto my phone, so I'm only gonna record if I got a fish on because I barely have any room left. But I do have my phone, so no big deal. I did just drop it on the floor and it probably could have fell through the cracks into the ocean, but it didn't, so just walking up to here. I was really not expecting to be saying this, but I see some big old fish swimming around down there, like bigger than earlier, so. All right, this is my last cast right here. Let's see if we catch anything. If not, I'm going to sleep. I'm just camping right here next to this river that goes into the ocean. I didn't catch any fish out there on the pier, but I don't usually have luck out there. But the GoPro's tweaking, so I don't know what's gonna happen with that in the morning. But we'll just see what happens. I'm gonna go fishing in the morning when the sun comes up, so I'm just gonna camp it out. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Ooh, we made it. That's where I slept. Alright, time for some breakfast. Hey. And I'm stuck in iPhone mode once again. I don't know why this keeps happening. So I brought fruit, granola, milk, yogurt, everything to make a smoothie, but I did not bring a blender, so I guess I'm skipping brekkie. It's a whack. Pretty hungry. So we're making do. What we got. Day 2. Someone just told me there's a lot of perch out here right now, so see if we can't catch one and make a fish sandwich out of that boy. I didn't catch anything. It's been like 2 hours and it's pretty hot out here, so I'm probably just gonna walk the surf and see if I can catch anything on sand. It's been about 4 hours. I didn't catch any fish. I just cracked my phone screen. But I'm still gonna go make a fish sandwich because I have leftover halibut from the last video. So, see y'all back at the truck. Alright, so the GoPro's still dead, so we're in iPhone mode. Just got back to the car. I'll make 2. If I don't need it, I'll try and give it to someone, even though that didn't work last time. Something's burning. Bought some, not flour, this is actually pancake batter. We're just gonna throw the pancake batter into a bowl here. And then we're gonna season it. Some cayenne pepper, so it can be a little spicy. Throw some of these big old pieces of salt too. All right, now I'm just gonna dip the fish right into the flour or whatever you might be using. Make sure it's coated pretty decent. And throw it right in here. Just one. There we go. Toss it around a little bit. And then we got a little extra piece of halibut left, so I'm just gonna fry it up. Be like a little halibut nugget. They look perfect. Right, now, secret sauce of your choice. All right, let's try it out. Bomb. Now the question is, what should I do after this? Should I go fishing? Should I go surfing? Should I go home since the GoPro's not working anyways? Don't know. All right, guys, we got all our stuff. We're walking down right now. Let's see if there's any waves. No, I'll just walk back and get the fish and stuff. It's all good. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Sorry, guys. I got to be the worst filmer in the world. So after my fish sandwiches, I went and surfed for a couple hours, but I'm pretty whooped, so I called it a day. But thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all next week. Deuces. Next week, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I built my truck camper from start to finish. So stay tuned until next Saturday for that video.